Hello guys, this is Shraddha and I have came up with new video that how you can fix headphone issues in Windows 10. So I'll tell you the 5 solutions for this issue. So it will fix the headphone issues in your PC. Okay, so let's start the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Yeah, so let's start. So for very first, just click on the start menu and search for device manager. So click on device manager. So search for sound, video and game controller. You can see it over here. Just expand this section. Just click your audio device. Right click your audio device. Click on update the driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. So it will take some time and wait for the drivers to be updated. So after that you can see search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So just click on that. So for me it is up to date. For you it will show that it is updating. So it will ask to restart your computer. Please restart your computer. So this was the first method. So after that I am going to tell you the second method. In the second method, just click on this audio device, right click it, click on update driver, select this browse my computers for driver. After that, just click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio device. So I'll select this Realtek high definition audio. Just click on next. So it will install the drivers. It will take some time to install. So it will ask to restart your computer. So restart your computer. So I'll tell you the third solution. Just click on your audio device. Just right click it. Click on uninstall device and click on uninstall. So it will uninstall the audio device. Yeah, you can see it has been uninstalled. And at the top you can see the screen option. Over there it is written scan for hardware changes. Just click on that and it will reinstall our audio device. Scan it for 3 times and yes, you can see your audio device has been installed. Yes, you can see it. So I'll tell you the fourth solution for that. So just go in the start menu and search for control panel. Just click on control panel. There you can see hardware and sound. Just click on that. There you can see the sound option. Just click on sound option. Here you can see the speakers option. Just right click on speakers. Once you right click on it, just go to properties. In properties, go to advanced option and there you can see the bits option like 24 bit. You can change the bit quality and test the audio by changing the bit and click on apply and OK. Try changing every bit and taste it so that it will work, and just click on apply and OK. If it doesn't work, so I'll tell you the next. So in the start menu, go in settings, just go to system. In system you can see the sound option, just click on the sound option. Here you should choose your device. Then you can see the troubleshoot option, just click on troubleshoot and it will detect the problem. Just click on yes. Just try to play the test sound. If you hear the sound, then just click on good, and if you didn't hear it, just try reinstalling the current driver. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Okay, then take care. Bye bye.